Between 1854 and 1929, over 250,000 children were loaded onto trains, shipped across America like cargo. Orphans, runaways, abandoned souls, marketed as a humanitarian effort, the Orphan Train movement was a grim social experiment. At train stops, children were paraded, inspected like livestock, and handed off to strangers who often saw them as free labor. Families were chosen without background checks, leaving many to face trauma, sibling separation, and abuse. The psychological toll was immense, as these children lost their identities and were forced to assimilate. This dark chapter of our history remains buried, overshadowed by the very ideals of compassion it claimed to uphold.